Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily charge your Nothing headphones with your phone. So as you can see, here I do have the USB Type-C cable, and you can charge your headphones in the phone with USB Type-C 2 cable, as you can see, but it depends on your phone, because your phone does have to support the reverse charging. Almost every phone with USB Type-C supports that, even older iPhones with the Lightning and some phones with the micro USB. So at first we have to plug the cable into our phone charging port. Here I do have the Nothing Free, by the way, and here into our headphones. And now when they are turned off, we can see that they are charging. So that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.